Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. So, first of all, we are all thankful and grateful for your life. Lahat ng tao na nandito, very alam nila na you are blessed because you share your blessings to everyone. You are so dear to all of us, and we celebrate life with you. We are thankful and blessed that we are part of your life, and hoping that the smile that you're giving to everyone will be a great blessing to all of us here. Ayan. Happy birthday, and I love you so much, Tita.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy. Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Joy. Ma'am, please stay for a while for a picture, please. Hawakan ko po yung mikropono para po maganda ang ating shot.
So
Next.
this is a rare opportunity for us to celebrate her birthday with us. Kasin, this is the most memorable day that you celebrated your birthday with us. Your family here, the Espejo family, where are you? Yes, we are here. So sabi nga namin, hindi kami makapunta sa States na lahat-lahat kami. So it's nice. It's a good decision that she came over to celebrate her birthday with us. Never count the years, but still count more years for us. Hilda is a symbol of a forge of being enthusiastic, compassionate, and generous. And that is you. Why should I say those objectives that describes her? Because as a cousin, Hilda H, she extends helping hands with us, our families, her relatives, her friends, and everybody. Maramanami amin, itinagbanlugan na. You inspired us to push through. Life must go on. That we must go on with our journey to success. And mariri na akong dahil takasin. Dagiti kakakana kami. Be inspired. Sabi nga natin, she is an inspiration to us. Because she is very loving. Sometimes, ureno adayu isuna, aduti video calls, aduti chat. There are so many means of communication nga iparinana ti panagayat na kanyami. D. Nga JD. She has a deep concern with her family, especially her siblings, us, her relatives, and to her friends. At nga kanayon, iti pasalubong mi. Because of her generosity. Nga. And you are that amazing cousin. Very amazing, very awesome, and of course, we love you so much. Happy birthday, and may God bless you always with so much protection, love, peace, and of course, with Manong Eddie, thank you very much for loving our cousin. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Wilma. Ma'am, picture muna kayo, please.
Hi. Well, I tried so hard na hindi umiyak actually when oh my God. Actually, kanina pa nagpapayak ang mga videographers sa mga message na yan. So, first of all, I would like to thank Tita Hilda for being with us today, celebrating her special occasion with us. I think nasabi na nila lahat, from being an inspiration, kung gaano siya kabuting tao to everyone. Actually, I just want to share na since bata kami, actually, she's been our role model. Parang siya yung human Santa Claus for us. You know, as I grew older, mas na unawaan ko, mas nakita ko kung gaano siya kabuti. Especially sa mga kapatid niya, sa family niya, kaming mga pamangkin niya. Oray nagtangkan ti ulo mi, oray nagpapasaway kami, and she's been always there. Iso na ti symbol, iti patience nga nakatatid dog. So, I think no words can really describe her. But, you know, tita, we've been striving na para may bigay din namin yung mga naibigay mo sa amin, at least through our success. Di makeup mo, tita. Oh my God. Tissue, please. I love you, tita. We love you so much. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for that, Marian. Ayan. Ma'am, picture.
Good evening, everyone. Parang nasabi na nila lahat yung mga gusto kong sabihin. Pero, ate, happiest birthday. Thanks for everything. Ang masasabi ko sa ate ko ay siya ang very generous siya at saka maraming nag-aidolo sa kanya. Marami siyang natutulungan. Isa siyang halimbawa. Yung mga pamangkin namin na mga pasaway, siya yung nag-i-encourage lahat para matuwid yung ano nila, magkaroon sila ng magandang future. And pasalamat kami sa ate ko dahil kung may mga hindi pagkakaunawaan naming magkakapatid, normal na yun, di ba? Andyan siya na umaayos, tapos, yun na lang masasabi ko. Pagbuhay pang mga magulang namin, natutuwa sila, very proud sila sa kanya kasi alam nyo naman, galing kami sa hirap, siya yung naging tumulong sa amin. Isa na ako na natulungan niya, pinag-aral niya ako. Nakapunta ako sa Canada dahil sa kanya. At marami rin siyang natulungan na mga kapatid namin, mga pamangkin, pati na ba ako? Yun lang. Sana ate, huwag kang magbabago at ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health lagi at more years to celebrate with us. And next year ulit, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Happiest birthday. I love you, ate, and thanks for everything.
Thank you very much for that, ma'am. Ma'am, picture muna kayo, Ma'am Hilda. And finally,
It is an honor to be here with our beautiful celebrant on this very special day. Nasabi na lahat, ayaw maiyak ngayon. Alam niyo naman kung gaano kabait ang ating birthday celebrant ngayon na si Tita Hilda. Isa siya sa mga taong tinitingala ko at pinapangarap ko maging dahil sa kanyang mabuting puso at mga magandang pinapakita since bata kami. Lumaki ako nang kasama si Tita Hilda. Hindi siya nawala sa tabi namin. Patuloy niya kaming minamahal at sana ipagpatuloy niya pa rin kami pinamahal, lalo ako. Kahit makulit akong pamangkin. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal ka namin, Tita Hilda. Happy 60th birthday po.
thank you very